Hojiki Hyderabad, Delhi, DMCC, all the time they are doing for the society, for the people of Manipur. It is not a job. So I salute the volunteers, the organizers, the leaders of this organization who is doing a lot for the people of Manipur, which we should not forget. Thank you very much. Hujikta Kweki Miss Diana Yamna Marik Chumna, along with the constitutional rights and all, with the all legal points, Vayamda Thambikre. So we totally agree with her. She is really a very intellectual lady who has pointed out all the facts and figures and the birth rights involved in it. Galaxy of beautiful people present here, distinguished invitees and organizers who has organized it. To organize such meets is not an easy work. Yamlai na kangano masikumba meeting to BPI se arrive natte permission no basu yawai organize to basu yawai aduka everything mic ne khande sini khande so many problems they are facing aduka Hojiki Hyderabad, Delhi, DMCC, all the time they are doing for the society, for the people of Manipur. It is not a job. So I salute the volunteers, the organizers, the leaders of this organization who is doing a lot for the people of Manipur, which we should not forget. Nasiya koi na mafamasi se inbiri se kovro heba jaga se koi na angang wariga ina de am chalu re adu handak ira 1 lakh badagi thing bado really it is a very unfortunate. मेरा एक सवाल है आप सबसे, हम हिंदुस्तान में अलग अलग धर्मों के लोग यहाँ रहते हैं, हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई, और सबका एक पूजा का स्थान है. अगर सिखों को कहा जाए, जैसे कि अभी डायना ने कहा था कि आप गोल्डन टेम्पल नहीं जा सकते, विल दे एक्सेप्ट? वो नहीं. एकदम कितना हल्ला उठेगा, कितना प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी. इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. अभी इन्होंने कहा अगर हम मोहम्मदन भाइयों को कहें आप मुस्लिम की जो जगह है वहाँ आप नहीं जा सकते, इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. एंड वाई देयर इज ए रेस्ट्रिक्शन फॉर आवर मैते कम्युनिटी टू गो टू आवर प्लेस वेयर वी वर्शिप. They are originated from this place. We have seen many times when we were young and in Manipur. This is really unfortunate. हम कहना चाहेंगे जो रिस्पॉन्सिबल है इसके लिए, चाहे वो गवर्नमेंट के हों, स्टेट के हों. अभी तो मणिपुर में प्रेसिडेंट रूल हो गया है. वहाँ के गवर्नर जिस धर्म को मानते हैं, अगर उनसे कहा जाए कि you cannot go to your worship place, it's not possible. So I would like to say, the people of Manipur, Meitei community especially, the tolerance power is so high with them. सबसे ज़्यादा अगर कोई बर्दाश्त कर सकता है दुनिया में, मैंने देखा है 2 सालों में, ये एक ऐसी कम्युनिटी है. जितने भी मणिपुर में कम्युनिटीज़ हैं, कितना बर्दाश्त कर रहे हैं. दे आर टॉलरेटिंग. और कब तक करेंगे, ये एक बहुत बड़ा सवाल है. आज हिंदुस्तान के हिंदू भाइयों को कहा जाए कि आप ये जो अयोध्या में बनी है राम जन्मभूमि, उनको बैन कर दिया जाए. इवन वन डे दे कैन नॉट स्टॉप. कितना भूचाल आ जाएगा, चारों तरफ आग जल जाएगी. मगर ये कम्युनिटी हाईली कल्चर्ड पीपल है, टॉलरेट करना जानते हैं और अभी तक टॉलरेट कर रहे हैं. दिस आई सैल्यूट टू सच पीसफुल God-fearing and highly cultured people of Manipur who had been tolerating so much, which is not possible by any community. You point me one community in the country who will tolerate this, even for one day. So for the 2 years they had been tolerating is a very big thing, very big thing. Friends, let us unite, let us join our hands, and let us not tolerate that we should be stopped to go to our places of worship, which is our right, constitutional right, birthright. They cannot stop, nobody can stop. So we have so many people from Manipur at very higher posts all over the country, even in Delhi. Even the judge of the Supreme Court is a Meitei. Earlier the Chief Justice of Jammu Kashmir was a Meitei. So many IAS officers, senior officers are in Delhi or in other places of the country. They should also feel this heat amongst them. They should also try their level best with the possible efforts. Why not they meet the Honorable Prime Minister, Home Minister and other senior ministers to highlight this problem. They should. Can we tell to our Honorable Prime Minister कि आप राम जन्मभूमि में नहीं जा सकते? Not possible, not possible. ये तो खाली मणिपुर के लोग हैं जिनको आप दबा देते हो because they tolerate power is so high. और किसी को आप नहीं दबा सकते. Friends, अभी एंकर लेडी ने बताया था कि I have written a book, Manipur of my dreams, that is in English, and very recently I have written a book in Meitei language, my own language. This I have got 5 books with me. I have brought it here, and I would like to present it to the senior people here. जो old है उनको व्यवहार करते हुए उनको सलाम करते हुए मैं एक एक किताब उनको देना चाहूँगा, and I will hand it over to our organizers. So please kindly take this book and please give one book each to all elder people here. This is very inspirational book. This book is full of power, and in Manipur also at PC Jain I had kept few thousand books for free distribution as a Yaoshang gift. You can tell your friend in Manipur Imphal that it is available at PC Jain and Company, free of cost. You can take from them. This is full of power. The sky is the limit. If anybody reads this, and I want that especially the youths who are the pillars of our society, pillars of our state, pillars of our nation, they should go through the book and they will find that nothing is impossible in this world. So friends, this is my very good opportunity to say few words to you, to open my heart amongst you, my friends Daji with a Christian name, he is also here. He is always supporting Manipur. He is always supporting all communities, even Kuki, Meitei, all communities. He is a neutral personality. I am happy that he has come here. I have attended few of his meetings. He is very intellectual personality amongst us. So I feel proud of him. And I found so many my friends are here. We have not met for a long time. So it was my golden opportunity to meet all of you. Mayam, finally, this is not a very easy way to tolerate that we are not allowed to go to our worship place. We should make our all efforts. All should join hands. DMCC ne, Karine, Ate organization to Laga, Purshal Laga. We have to make our genuine efforts so that very shortly we should be not restricted to such place. Mathang Chatpadai su yao jage, soidra yao jage. Kesu leite, Dili degi Imphal pairo oregano. So, thank you very much to the organizers for giving me the opportunity. I invite Hitang Hajaraga, English and Jage, Aduga. Hamushu Mayam da no look to na koram jage. Thank you very much.